I wish you would just look at these motherfucking lawnmowers. God damn, have you ever in your life seen so much fucking shit? Lawnmowers. There's my old house. Told you that motherfucker falling down. Look at that shit. Look at the goddamn, look at yonder. As far as you can see to the other house, and all across there's nothing but fucking lawnmowers piled high. Then, walk around back of the house, my house, and them motherfuckers go all the way up in the fucking field. As far as you can see, goddamn lawnmowers stacked on top of lawnmowers on top of lawnmowers. Look at this shit. My fucking brother done made himself a goddamn $250,000 for goddamn lawnmowers. Dumb motherfucker. He's smarter than all of us. Got trucks just sitting in the field that he don't even drive. He got so many. There's about 2 trucks, 3 trucks up there. There's a car. There's a couple more trucks over there. A couple more over there. He got one driveway and building a whole another building right yonder. And look at the size of that goddamn building that he's building. That motherfucker's, what, 3 times the size of the red building, which is his other shop. God damn, my house done fell down. Look at that. The whole bathroom's gone. Fuck. Look at this shit. Let me climb on some of this shit right here. I wish y'all look at this motherfucking shit. Look at the goddamn lawn. Have you ever seen so many goddamn lawnmowers? That's his game room right there. There's his house. There's his... And technically, this is all my land right here. So these are sitting on my property, and there's really my lawnmowers that are, yeah. But look at the motherfucking lawnmower. This is all my land right here. Hell, you put a fucking ditch in. Look at this shit. That motherfucker done dug a goddamn trench and put a ditch in. Motherfucker. Are you kidding me? Yeah, that's my land right here, man. My land. Goddamn, he's got a fucking pile back there. I guess we're in the pushmower section back here. God damn. Look at the fucking pushmowers. What the hell? He's got a bobcat too. What the hell? That's just John Deere's. All John Deere's down there. Son of a bitch. I shouldn't never need another lawnmower the rest of my fucking life, long my brother alive. I shouldn't never have to buy it. Look, 16-foot trailer. Shouldn't never have to buy a fucking lawnmower. Look at that shit. What the fuck is he got going on out here? There's a jet ski. Goddamn scrap on top of scrap on top of scrap. Now, is that our land? No, my land lands right there at the gate. Okay. Hey, where the truck is at? I might tell him I want a truck. There we go. I mean, he got this kind of money. Why wouldn't he give his brother a truck? Hell, he got a nice one over there. White one there. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Would you look at the fucking shit. Shit. I like that heavy duty trailer. Hell yeah.